Let's make a giant cookie for fall. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. Let's get started.
Giant chocolate chip fall cookie time. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay, Adorners, so just as I did, if you didn't see my giant Valentine's Day cookie, we're gonna do a giant cookie with some Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. And I'm gonna make a fall cookie. And so this is something that you can take to work, for a potluck. It's something that's really simple. It doesn't require anything but butter or margarine and water. So let's get started.
Okay, Adorners, so let's get started. We have 2 packs of our chocolate chip cookie mix from Betty Crocker, right? Each requires half a stick of butter, okay, or margarine. Mix it together and with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 for each packet. And voila, we have our cookie mix ready to go. So I've spread the cookie throughout this baking pan. This is a to-go container that has a lid, and that way you can take it to an event or to work or anything like that.
All right, Adorners, so we're gonna go ahead and put this cookie in the oven on 350. You can use 375, it depends on your oven. I'm gonna put mine in at 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, Adorners, so as I said, this is something that you can make for your kids' bake sale or for school or for work party, and it doesn't require anything. Like I said, half a stick of butter per package or half a stick of margarine per package and 1 tablespoon of water. So if you wanted to, you could add M&Ms to this, you could add nuts to this, you could add so many things to this, and I'm gonna add some frosting on the top. You'll see how quick and easy it is to make this a giant cookie for the fall.
Okay, it's time to take out our cookie. All right, Adorners, it's time to take out our cookie. I left it in for about 5 more minutes actually, so I'm gonna take it out and let it sit. Okay, Adorners, as you can see, our cookie is brown around the edges, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 or 15 minutes to cool off, and then I'm gonna pipe some white and orange icing for the fall season.
Okay, Adorners, so it's time to go ahead and frost our cookie. If you're looking for a made from scratch recipe or a homemade sugar cookie recipe or something like that, please check out my fall marble sugar cookie recipe. Alright, Adorners, so I'm going to be using this baking kit that I picked up from the Dollar Tree with some Pillsbury, just really quickly, vanilla and orange icing. And I'm just going to pipe it on, maybe put Happy Fall or something on it, and then it'll be ready to take wherever you want it to go. Okay, Adorners, so you screw this off and you add the tip that you want to use. Today I'm going to be using more of a star tip, I guess. Then you add your icing to the bag and ready to add our starred looking tip. And I'm going to fill our bag first with white icing. Okay, Adorners, so you want to be sure to fold the piping bag down and then add your icing. I have my star for practice, and now I'm going to pipe around the perimeter of the cookie. Okay, Adorners, so let's pipe a few. Just piping around the perimeter, leaving space between. All right, I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay, Adorners, so it's time to fill in with some orange and white icing. Okay, Adorners, so I've changed the tip, and I'm just going to write Happy Fall or something like that on here really quickly. You can see the tip is different now. So let me just write on here really quickly. Alright, Adorners, so I just finished up and wrote Happy Fall really quickly. As you can see, like I said, Alright, Adorners, I think this turned out beautifully. This is our fall giant cookie. Kind of reminds us of Great American Cookie Company, but you can make it at home pretty inexpensively. It's something that you can take to work, or you can use for a birthday party, bake sale, kids, teachers gift, so many things. Thank you for joining me as always. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.